YouTube is deleting your views. You are noticing reduction in your views. Like today your views went up and you're like all over the place. Ooh, I've got so many views, and then going down. In this video, I'm going to be telling you why that is happening, what you should do, and how you can prevent that, because that has actually happened to me before. Yes guys, it has actually happened to me. I'm going to tell you guys from experience. My video actually got so many views at a point. I was so happy and I was like, oh, my video is getting views, and then all of a sudden the views just went not like it will go off totally, not like everything, but then it will reduce. So why does YouTube reduce or delete views? One, invalid traffic. Invalid traffic can actually cause YouTube to reduce or delete your views, whereby both views, you know, some people now, because they actually want to get all of that views, they want to get watch hours, they want to get these, like everybody just so eager to grow on YouTube, and then they go and start buying views. Yes, buying views. And those platforms you're actually buying from, you don't know how they are generating their views. You just see one advert. Oh, you pay $2,000. What am I saying? 2,000. You pay $20 for 1,000 views. I'm just citing an example. You pay $20 for 1,000 views, and then you're just like, oh wow, this is very good. Let me pay $20 for 1,000 views. I'm just citing an example. Yeah. So after paying that, you don't know the company, you don't know how they are getting their views, and then you don't know if they are using bots, because some of these companies just use bots just to generate money and to get money from you guys. They just want to get your money, the money you are planning to get from YouTube. They are also planning to get that money from you. So then you just feel like, oh, at some point the views are going up, but you guys are actually forgetting YouTube algorithm is actually smart, like very, very smart. You can never cheat YouTube algorithm. They are going to figure it out. YouTube algorithm, they are going to figure it out, and then all those both views into thin air. Yeah, another thing is when one viewer watch your video repeatedly. It's just like, okay, you post a video and then you have another account, because I heard some people say that you have another account, so through that second account you now start watching your video repeatedly. Like after you watch for the first time, you watch again, you think the views will just keep going and swiping, and no, you lie. Initially you'll be seeing the views, you'll be like, oh okay, I watched for the first time, one view, I watched for the second time, second view, like it just keeps going. But when the YouTube algorithm notices that this view is coming from the same person, yes, because they have your IP. Once you are watching it, they have your IP, they have your details, you have nothing to hide. Even if you like, change your VPN. Some people change their VPN, they do many things, act this, act that, you can never beat the algorithm. Yes, you can never beat the algorithm. So in case you're thinking, oh, you are so smart, you can beat the algorithm, stop wasting your time, please, and just focus on creating valuable content that can get you genuine organic view. Yes, that's just what you need, because when a viewer, whoever the viewer is, be it yourself or a family, a friend, or someone just, or maybe someone that just like you, just keep watching your video, watching, the views will stop counting. The second reason why your views is actually reducing or deleting from YouTube is because of short videos or short views. If somebody watch your video for 10 seconds, it won't be counted as a view. Yes guys, in case you don't know, if somebody watch your video for 10 seconds, it won't be counted as a view. That's because YouTube wants you to stay longer. Best known to them why they said that. But then if somebody watch a video for 10 seconds, initially, in the initial process, you will see that the views is actually adding up. Like, okay, let's say someone just come and just watch for like 5 seconds, 6 seconds, or let's just say 10 seconds. If someone watch your video for 10 seconds and then the person just stop watching or scroll in case you don't know, if you watch your video for 10 seconds or less, your view is going to be deleted. It is not going to be counted as a view. YouTube does not recognize any view which is 10 seconds or less. be it 10 seconds, 9 seconds. You guys get what I'm trying to say. So in case you don't know this and no peace, please guys. Another reason why you can be experiencing this is because YouTube algorithm actually takes time. Yes, they take time to verify the views. The views might be true, they might be organic, they might be real views, they might be actual views, but YouTube actually take time to verify. So the process of them trying to take time to verify the views, you might see a reduction and then it will add up back. Yes, so if those views are actually genuine, if they are actually real views, if they are organic views, just know, be rest assured, or they said be rest assured is actually not correct, so rest assured that YouTube is going to increase it back. Yes, it's actually going to come up back. Yeah, it's just for the period of time the algorithm is trying to process the views and trying to see, okay, is this actually a real view and stuff like that. So you just have to give it time. It will definitely come up, it will definitely come around. So how can you avoid facing this kind of situation? Number one, please run away from platform that promises you views. Platforms, be it app, website, social media, like anywhere you see them that they promise you views, please run, don't stay. Please, I have told you, don't stay, run. When you see website that promise you more views, please run away from that website, whether it is free or paid. Run away. Another thing is to focus on organic views. Make great content for the right targeted audience. Yes guys, great content for the right targeted audience. Are you still confused after watching this video and you're like, what next? How am I sure is a bot that is watching my video? Like, you are confused, you don't know if it's actually bot or not. Then what you can do is go to your YouTube studio. When you get to your YouTube studio, go to your analytics. Yes, go to your analytics. Then take a screenshot of your views. Let's say like your initial views, let's say you have like 100 views initially. Take a screenshot of that 100 views. Then wait. When it drops further, let's say it drops further from 100 to 90 or to 80, take the next screenshot. Then you can upload it and report it. Yes, no, when you log on to your YouTube studio, there's a place to report the problem, so you can actually report it, and then you get a direct feedback from YouTube telling you what exactly happened and why your views is actually dropping. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Just go to your YouTube studio and follow the process I just said. So one last thing I'm going to say before I end this video is that real growth takes time. Don't chase bots, please guys, don't chase bots. Just wait and allow the algorithm pick your videos. Yes guys, and you're actually going to do so well. Don't be faster than your shadow. Don't chase bots guys, because in the end it's nothing. Because what's the essence of seeing thousands of views and then in the next few seconds you're already seeing hundreds of views? What's the point? So guys, thank you so much if you watched to this point. I really do appreciate. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, share, do all of those things guys. Please come back to my channel. I really love to have you guys around. Thank you so much. Bye.